Hey guys, I'm on Roblox right now, and this is really very super exciting because I don't need to listen to anybody or anything. Like, this is exciting to me because I don't need to listen to other people. Okay, what? Okay, I think. Hello, what that was. Let's see. What? Oh, there's a lot of these flags that I don't get. Hopefully they don't mind me going to their house. But it's actually really cute. And I really like it. I mean, the floor on the wall isn't really that nice, but oh, who is this guy? Oh, interesting. I think I've I don't know, like trading with people in case they're scammers. Okay. Whoa. Look how much money I have now. Nope, I decline it. Yeah, such a weird name. GC. Who names all that? I think they want to shoot me out. Yeah, I think so. I mean, I wouldn't be really that pleased if somebody came into my house. Like, break in, right? Well, they're really nice. They didn't lock me out. But, yeah, I wouldn't really be pleased if somebody. Ooh! Oh, this is actually really cool, just gotta say. I really like this, this kitchen. It's right over here. Look. And you can see what people are doing down there, but except it's a little plain, don't you guys think? Why is there a teapot and tea here? You know what? I'm just gonna take some of the cup with tea. Okay. Let's see when I have food. Ooh, I got a lot of delicious food and new drinks. Ooh, I wonder what this mini step will take me to. It's just a little plain little space. Nothing important. What? Oh, I actually really like this place too. Did you know how to type? Welcome is supposed to have eat and. Oh, I like it. I really like it actually. Especially the front. I like how it's really green and fresh. Get it? Super fresh. It's not like super old, musty. I like it. Okay, this is really a weird. Oh, I think they might be on the news report, right? I mean, that is reasonable, right? I guess. Oh, cash out. Ooh. Probably they haven't decorated this place, but I already think it's really cute. What is this little block for? Comment below if you know what that little block is for. Not for is. Oh, why is there so many bathtubs? Wait, you right here and then you take a bath, and then you get clothes, I believe. This is how it works? Yeah, I think so. What else can you do? I'll just go downstairs and take a little swim. Ooh, there's even water. Nah, I don't want to go to parties. Why do people send me to invitation parties? No big deal. Grab water cup. And grab a lot of water. Ooh, a lot of water. I won't be really thirsty anymore. Okay, let's go. Stop dancing myself. Oh, is this like a super secret lab or something like this? Thank goodness they didn't kick me out. There's nobody here. Well, they'll probably kick me out right in the moment I get into the house. Because this is super cute. I'm just gonna get out. In the balcony. Ooh, I actually really like this balcony. It's like this really long type, not like this super regular type balcony. But it's quite easy to get on the roof and fall down. This is like the green grass color. Like you, what do you call that again? Well, I don't know what you call that again. Okay. He seems like to be new, just like me. Except he got the cardboard box with him. I don't know. Let's exit home. I am so happy right now that I don't have those very parentsy. I think she's gonna laugh me out, but I don't really care because. Oh, okay. I haven't been to my house for so long. Like, too long. Oh my god. I love grabbing free water. Okay, I'm just gonna say hi. Hello, hello. This is not a language, but I guess she can know what I mean. Right? I mean, everybody should know. Doo-doo-doo. She's actually pretty kind. You know what? I'm gonna invite her to my bed. Maxine! Oh, this is like one of my friends. Hey. That's my friend. That's me. Me friend. We got to go class. Okay. Zoom? She probably doesn't even know what Zoom is. Yep, she doesn't know what Zoom is. Okay, so kitty fans, that's basically all for today. See you tomorrow. Bye. Meow. And also